Oh my god. You guys ready? We're gonna teach you guys how to make the slime. If you enjoy this, like and subscribe. Show them how stretchy this thing is. Whoa, look at this. So the first thing you're gonna need is some
shaving cream.
Some shaving cream? Okay, here. We're gonna do 1 cup of shaving cream. And this could be any shaving cream. The one that we got was this. We'll list it below. So the shaving cream is kind of like the little secret ingredient here that will give it a little foam. And what Gracie has there is glue, Elmer's glue. We got half a cup of Elmer's glue. So let's start mixing it and then we'll add the teal. Now here's the thing, the other thing that you need to add in here is some water.
And homemade activator.
An activator. We'll show you how to make the activator. We'll list it into the description below and where we bought it. Yes, I will. And where we bought it. So take a look. It took us a while to figure it out, but we finally got it correct with the right ratio. And like and subscribe. All right, while they mix, let me get the water, okay? I'll be right back. All right, we're back. And Gracie left us to go do some painting. So we'll continue here. Okay, here you go, Gracie. You can pour this. How much is this? 1/4 cup of water. That way it's not gonna make it hard and it's gonna keep it nice and slimy.
And hard and sticky.
And then we also got these food coloring. You can get these food coloring anywhere, but we'll list it in our description too.
No, he won't. And like and subscribe.
Yes, I will list it. And yes, like and subscribe. So all the stuff that we listed, we're affiliate of Amazon. It's not going to cost you any addition, but it will help support the channel if you use our link to get the ingredients. Sophie is doing a little tornado thing. Whoa, it's flying everywhere. All right, what color are you guys going to use?
Green and blue.
Green and blue. Okay, just do 1 drop each. Oh my god, that's more than 1 drop. Ooh, look at this. It's like a little peacock. Look at this pretty teal. Okay, hold on to the thing. Let me give you guys some activator. And here you go. Pour it in. All right. This is 1 tablespoon of activator. Keeps mixing, and you see how it starts thickening up. It looks super sticky right now, but it'll get better. And if you need to, you can always add a little bit more activator. But you don't want to add too much, otherwise it becomes too hard. And if you need to, you can always add a little bit of
the homemade activator.
Yeah, you can add more activator, or
but it will get harder.
If you want, you can add a little shaving cream. Just a little. It'll help it. So, all right, we're back. So after a little bit kneading, maybe 5-7 more minutes, it becomes like this. And look, it's not sticky. It's beautiful. It's cloud slime.
And it's different colors.
And it's a little stretchy and a little bouncy.
And it's ripple. And it's nice and fluffy.
And it's nice and fluffy. So if you find this ingredient helpful, please like and subscribe. We're gonna show you also how to make the water slime.
If you have like a very sticky slime and it's kind of like cleaner slime, you can use that slime.
Oh yeah, it could be cleaner slime too. Okay. All right, here's slime number 2. We're gonna show you with a little bit different ingredient here. A ratio is gonna be a lot more water slime, more watery. 1/2 cup of glue. We got 1 cup of shaving cream. 1 cup of water. Whoa, look at that. 2 drop. 1. A tablespoon of activator. It might require more, but we're gonna put some more in the front first, and then we'll put a little bit in the back end. Yeah, there you go. The water slime's gonna take a little longer. It's getting there.
And when you see this, Bob Campton, please like and subscribe.
The like and subscribe slime keeps coming across the screen. Okay, look, you see how this slime is so much bigger than the other one? Yeah, oh my god, it's almost there. Keep going, keep mixing. There you go. That's perfect. Okay, good.
This one's kind of like this one.
Not bad. Just a little bit.
So In here, wait.
Always add a little shaving.
I'm making a shaving cream. You know how I did it last time. I think shaving cream has soap.
Alright, look at that. After a little bit of kneading,
Like and subscribe.
it's getting better.
You don't have to do that.
Alright.
Slimy.
Let's show them how stretchy this one is.
Okay. That's
And the
mine.
biggest difference is the volume of water. So if you
That
don't
was
want
mine.
it
This is
too
way
sticky,
I'm handling
if you don't want it too slimy, then you add a little less water. And then, but this is really good.
You have to add a lot of water.
Yeah, this is, and then you could even add more water than this.
If you want it soft, you need shaving cream. A lot of shaving cream.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed that and found the ingredients helpful, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the future videos. Thank you.